We're seeing the results from a phase III trial at ASCO of Nivolumab in combination with an anti-LAG-3 molecule. So I actually think that's quite important, and we haven't seen the data yet, but it's a new combination effectively. We haven't previously seen phase III data, and we know that there's a benefit there in terms of progression-free survival for the combination in comparison with Nivolumab. So that can only be good news. That's number one. Based on what we know so far, it looks like the two drugs together, there's more side effects than Nivolumab on its own, which you might expect. I think the questions will be how this measures up to Ipi-Nivo, which is a combination that we've now had for a while. And we know with Ipi-Nivo, there's more benefit than with Nivolumab alone, and there's more side effects. So it's a similar type of story. And then the other bit that I hope, and I think everybody hopes, with these kinds of approaches is whether or not we can select the patients based on their characteristics or the characteristics of the melanoma for a particular treatment. So whether that was LAG-3 expression would be an example. So that's something that everyone's thinking about. And cellular therapy is very, very interesting. Again, it's been around in melanoma for a long time. The Iovance data do look promising. And I think, the question that people ask is whether or not that's going to be sufficient for a regulatory approval of this treatment or not. And I don't know the answer to that. But the interesting times ahead, I think, in the next 12 months or so.